The approach that I use is it's been dubbed flip learning. Basically, the children they gather knowledge and understanding outside the classroom, then they come to school armed with that knowledge and understanding, and then they use that knowledge and understanding in the classroom, usually on a project or something there. So let's say we're doing a mathematics lesson on addition. So the range of children that we may have in the class ability-wise, maybe let's say I was teaching a year 3 class, I may have children from a year 1 ability up to a year 5, 6, whatever ability. And usually the model that you stand in, you're preaching to the middle ground all the time, where the less ability children are sort of lost a little bit. The higher ability children already know how to do that. So this idea of creating these personalised videos for children really helps them. So let's say it was addition, I would create a very short 60-second clip, create one for year 1, year 2, 3, 4 and 5, or whatever process I need. The children then go home, they find where they're up to on that learning continuum. So let's say they're at, they know they can do that, but they can't do that. So that's their next step in learning. And if they achieve that, then straight away they get access to the next video and they drive in their own learning on as well. The main benefits is that it's that 24-hour learning, is that children can get access to things constantly. It's always there. You know, if they're stuck in a lesson, they don't go to the teacher straight away. They pick an iPad up or whatever technology it is and get access to that resource. They research it. It's as and when. That instant access to information is just brilliant. It's just, and to see it in action, where a child doesn't know something, they went, oh, I'll just use that, they find the answer out themselves. That's how learning should be, the skills of learning yourself, basically.
When you have access to technology, to the internet, then a whole plethora of freely available or very low-cost services are suddenly accessible that you can bring into the classroom. So Quizlet is a great example of that. We're a free product to use. And so if you have internet connectivity and device access, then you get the benefits of a utility like Quizlet in the classroom with no additional cost. You know, formerly I was at YouTube before I came to Quizlet. YouTube's an amazing teaching resource with so much great educational content, but you need access.
The vast majority of the learning software that I've used, the applications, are free online, so you can pick a £20, £30 tablet up and access those resources. There's masses of content on YouTube and video and Vimeo and places like that as well, and it's about being clever. Have somebody in your school who will champion this, who believes strongly in this technology is going to make this difference, and have a plan.
The governors here, pleasingly have kind of really bought into the value of technology and the contribution that it can make. We've been working primarily at this point on the back end stuff, the infrastructure, to actually enable us to get it out into classrooms in such a way that it will work and it's reliable, and if we get a class full of pupils turning up and they all try and access the Wi-Fi at the same time, it's not going to fall over. When a school is kind of going down the route of adopting technology, I think there's a real danger that they underestimate what that means in terms of the physical infrastructure actually on the site. The Wi-Fi network, the capability of it, the security of it, the external internet speed, and so on.